Yes, YouTubers, welcome to our channel, Sneaky Peeks.
I'm Biz and this is
Obi.
And today we're going to talk to you about some sick trainers that have just come out.
Yeah, so these trainers, I think we've been waiting for this for a few weeks, but there's been a few iterations before.
A couple of months. I think it's a couple of months.
Yeah, you think a couple of months?
Yeah.
I think, we've been waiting for these quite a while, to be honest. We've been waiting for quite a while, and I think these trainers are bad. I think at this time, and some people might have different opinions, I think this trainers is the best trainer that has come out from Nike so far.
Oh, so far, as in
so
all the
far.
trainers?
No. We're talking to 2020.
2020, okay.
We're talking 2020, and we're talking new, not talking about retros.
Yeah, 100%.
So
I agree.
and some people might even say, but this is a retro, but it's got a slight different take, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's not a retro, man. They've come hard this time. I'll give you a little clue before we kind of introduce it. I said they're Back to the Future. That's what I'm calling them, Back to the Future.
Really?
Back to the Future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So, without further ado, what are they?
Vapormax 360s.
Vapormax 360.
Yep.
We're going right here. Have a look at these.
And it's the Negro colour.
Ish. Oh, Jesus. I'm not sure where we're going here, man.
No, wait, Negro is Spanish, isn't it? It's Spanish, man.
I got D. Alright. 360. Open the box.
Vapormax 360s, baby.
Whoa.
All black on black on black.
Let's have a look.
Jeez. Look at these.
I'm going to leave that. We'll play with one.
Like Obi said, the best from Nike this year, 100%. I remember when the first colorways came out, and I thought they were alright. They were alright. I thought was it the red?
Yes.
The red. The leather was red, and then this was a grey white color.
A greyish, yeah.
Yeah, which is actually similar to the original Air Max 360s, which came out in 2006. So they brought out basically the same, but obviously with the Vapormax bottoms. But I saw them, and then there was a second version, which was they had like pink or green.
No, so if I remember correctly, in terms of the timeline of these trainers, so the first one came out was the red and grey upper, with the, I think it was was it a blackish? I think a blackish sole.
I thought it was clear. Or was it clear or tint?
Clearish, yeah, you could be right. Yes, it was clearish, which then relates to, so it definitely, it was definitely a throwback to the Vapormax, sorry, Air Max 360 of 2006. So then came the grey and black. So it had a grey and black upper, with black like soles.
That's the ones, yeah.
Yeah. And then they came out with the black, so it was all black. But the ticks, I had two different ticks.
Yeah, the ticks were
different colours. So if you look here, so this detail here, so with the black ones before this one, I had a pink
one was pink and then
green
the green
accent, and I believe the tick done the same thing. So it had on different sides. So
I wasn't really feeling them. I don't know why. Even though they were nice, I wasn't really feeling that.
To be honest, when I looked them up, I kind of looked online and had a look and see if there was a all black version.
Yeah.
You know, stealth like triple black. You get me?
Black on black on black.
Black on black on black. We know that. So I was looking at that, and you know, I come across a few which was showing online. To be honest, they weren't like officials. They were like knockoff Nigel versions.
Yeah.
He buys knockoff DVDs. He robs his own grand. He scrounges his drinks. What a grubby little man. He's a knockoff Nigel. He's a knockoff Nigel. He's a knockoff Nigel. He's a knockoff Nigel.
However, I remember saying to Biz, I was saying, look, you know what? These particular trainers, all black, stealth like,
come out
with a slightly contrasting tick, bang. That's banging all day.
And just talking about the tick, I really like the tick because in some light it's green and then in other lights it's blue. Even though they say it's green, but if you look, I don't know if you can see it on the camera now, but sometimes it looks green, sometimes it looks blue, and it just adds to how sick it is. Honestly, they're bad. They're bad.
So I think you call it like is it a hologram effect?
Yeah.
So it's like a hologram or rainbow effect, and as you go through the different degree of changes, or as you rotate at different points, you look at the trainer, you can see different colours. You can definitely see it's like it's got a reflective tint. So you definitely can see like different colours. So you will see a spectrum of the rainbow. Yeah. On this trainer. So there's a lot of attention to detail on this trainer. And to be honest, as I was saying, they're definitely banging.
Yeah, and just to add to that, what I like is, and I think that's why earlier I gave a hint that I called them Back to the Future, because what they've done, they've literally kept it the same in terms of the structure, in terms of all the lines, all the details are the same. I like how they've changed, what would you call this? The upper, what's the word? So the upper.
So it's just, let's say, the upper leather trim.
Yeah, the leather trims is exactly the same as the 2006, but what they've done with these ones, with that effect, it goes all the way up into the tongue.
Onto the tongue, yeah.
And I just think it's amazing.
If you've been watching this video up until now, you'll notice that 1, there's been a change of clothing. 2, one of us are not in the same room. And 3, that you need to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Only because hopefully we've added value. Value enough for you to still be here. But we'll finish the video just for you. So, what we got left to talk about? We have what you could wear the Vapormax 360s with. Also, cop and drop. And that's about it. So what I would wear the Vapor 360s with is jeans. Obviously, I think those trainers are very suitable for jeans, definitely. And obviously, staple tracksuits. Tracksuit, any tracksuit. That trainer is so versatile. We'll go with any tracksuit, any jean setup, whether it's black. Trainer's black. So blue jeans, black jeans, green jeans, whatever, but it will work.
Yeah, just to cut in, I was actually wearing them yesterday. I wore them with black jeans and a black hoodie. I'm going to put some visuals up. Got a nice Arsenal silvery reflective top that I know I shouldn't be wearing it, but I'll probably wear it with that as well. I have worn it with that actually. Let's not talk about football. Also, I'd wear them with either light grey or dark grey jeans. They go quite well with those as well. So my 360s came out in February. They're still going strong. In Foot Locker and JD, they're still going for £180, which is the original price. But on Nike, my colourway is going for £126, but that's only from size 6 to 9.
So you big-footed people, boy, you have to head over to Foot Locker. But to be honest, it's worth it. I think the trainers are worth it. Good quality, well designed, just an all-round bad boy trainer.
Okay, just to mention, the original 360 Vapormax, the first ones that came out, which were the red and white ones with the red upper, they're actually going for £108, and they're in all sizes, so it's definitely worth copping those if you're still interested. Yeah, so for me, it's definitely a cop, and to be honest, I'm definitely gonna have by the end of this month, I'm gonna have another pair, definitely. So it's a cop from me.
You're joking, yeah? You're getting another pair. Nah, same for me. Definitely a cop. I've got the white at the moment with the green and blue sole. I've been eyeing up the full white, triple white Vapor Maxes. I just want the price to go down. Maybe I'm being cheap, but it is 180. I've already paid 180 before, but I know it's been out for a minute, so
Yeah.
I think it's gonna drop anytime soon. So I'm looking out for that. But definitely, I'm gonna get another Vapor Max as well.
100%. They need to drop it like it's hot. Drop it. Drop it. You've been watching Sneaky Peeks with Biz.
And I've been Obi. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We're out.